What's up, everybody? Tonight I'm going to show you how to make baked chicken breasts so they come out juicy every single time. So, cheers and let's cook. First thing I'm going to do is mix up my spices. I have 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of oregano, and half a teaspoon of paprika. Just gonna give that a little mix, and we'll set that aside. I got my oven preheating to 425 degrees. We got our little spice rub mixed up. So now I'm just gonna drizzle each of these breasts with some extra virgin olive oil. Brush that over the tops. Then we'll sprinkle our seasoning over each one. Our chicken breasts are ready to go into the oven, but I am going to set an oven thermometer to 160 degrees and take that and stick it into the thickest breast right into the center. And you do want your chicken to be 165 degrees to be fully cooked, but it's going to have carryover once you pull it out of the oven. It'll get up to 165 while it rests before we slice it. So, got my thermometer set, time to go into the oven. Cook that chicken breast to 160 degrees. It took about 20 minutes, 22 minutes. I'll slice it, see how we did. Got some nice, tender, juicy chicken breasts there. We have some delicious, juicy chicken breasts here, and it took about 20 minutes, but you really want to go by temperature. You want to bring it to 160, let that residual heat bring it up to 165. It's going to be perfect every time. Get an oven thermometer, but 20 minutes to 22 minutes, depending on the size of your chicken breast, should be good. Let it rest for about 5 minutes, slice it, good to go. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget, hit that like and subscribe. Also, the recipe is written in the description right below the video. Cheers, and I'll see you next time.